Look at this stunning result. Today I will show you how to make this doll frock. Assalamualaikum Nazreen and hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel Dolly Fatima Fashion Designer. Let's start. I have folded the fabric for the doll frock skirt and now I will cut here. The width of this skirt is 8 inches, but you can adjust it according to your doll size. Now I am taking a fabric for the body and I fold it. I have marked 8 inches for the length and after that I draw the line with the ruler and extra margin half inch. First I marked half an inch for the trimming. After that I mark 2 inches for folding. Now I am cutting along the line carefully. Now I am trimming the extra fabric. I have double folded the fabric like this. It is 4.5 inches after the double fold. I have taken 3 inches from the neck to the shoulder. The armhole measurement is 5 inches. I have drawn the line. I am giving the shape to the armhole. Now I am cutting the armhole. Now I am cutting the square fabric for the tassel. It is 2 inches on all sides. Fold a square into a triangle like this. Now I will cut it. I am cutting the strips again. Now I am joining these two pieces together. I am trimming extra fabric. I am joining the double folded strip to the armhole for piping. Like this. Repeat the same process on the other side. I am cutting small notches for a clean finishing. Fold it inside and stitch on the top. I am trimming the extra fabric. Repeat the same process on the other side. I am making a fabric dory. Turning the dory with a loop turner. Insert the tool carefully into the dory. Now I am attaching the tassels to the end of the dory. Now I am turning it to the right side. Same process on the other side. I am folding the fabric now. I am putting the dory inside. I am attaching the body skirt. Now I will start making plaits from the center. I have done the plaits on the front. Now same process on the other side. I have already done the other part. Now I am going to stitch the side fitting. Finally, I am finishing the frock by stitching the bottom edge. And here is the final look of my frock. Hope you like the design. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more design. Assalamualaikum.